The city of Cleveland is fighting back against the Browns' move to Brook Park. The city says they will use the Art Modell Law. Our Candace Hare joins us now live with more on the law and how the city plans to enforce it.
Good morning, Dave. Yes, the Art Modell Law. So it's a state law that essentially makes it more difficult for professional sports team owners to move the team if that team plays in a taxpayer-funded stadium. And when it comes to the situation that's currently happening here in Cleveland, the city's law director, Mark Griffin, tells 3 News the provision of the law in play is one that would require Browns owners to entertain offers from investors looking to buy the team and keep it downtown. It's only after that which the owners could finalize their plan to move the team then over to Brook Park, Dave.
Very interesting. So the city says they plan to enforce the Art Modell Law, but we understand a lawsuit hasn't been filed yet.
Now, that's exactly right. And when we spoke with Chris Griffin, 3 News spoke with him, he told us that they're looking to precedents to see what could potentially happen next here. So essentially, in the past, when this has happened before, an initial letter was sent to the owners, kind of reminding them of the law and the steps that they need to take in order to navigate that law successfully. And then if they don't comply by, in this case, entertaining some of those offers to buy the team, then a lawsuit could be filed.
Yeah, it happened before. Actually, the Haslams have actually benefited from the Modell Law in the past, right, Candace?
That's exactly right, Dave. We mentioned precedents. That precedents, at least in the early stages of invoking the Art Modell Law, involves the Columbus Crew. You may remember there was a time when there was a possibility that that team would move to Texas. Then Ohio Attorney General Mike DeWine filed a lawsuit, one which wound up settling out of court, but the team, of course, still is in Columbus and now under the ownership of multiple individuals, including the Haslams. And speaking of the Haslams, they have shared a statement in which they said they don't believe the move a few cities over falls under the Modell Law, adding, quote, "Our Dome Stadium and ancillary development focus in Brook Park is the optimal solution for our fans in the region, not only because it will bring more large-scale events and economic activity, but also because it will open up the lakefront for more impactful development." That full statement, as well as all the information recapping how we got to this point between the city and between the ownership group for the Browns, you can find all of that on our website, wkyc.com.
All right, a lot to soak in there. Thanks for sorting it all out for us. Candace Hare live for us this morning. Also on our website, you can find more information on the Browns' potential move to Brook Park and follow along with the 3 News app.